Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are driving and don't want to touch your phone again and again, Waze voice commands can be a lifesaver. In this video, I will show you exactly how to activate voice command on Waze, even if you have zero knowledge about the app. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Once the map screen loads, look for the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Tap on it. Inside Settings, find and tap on Voice and Sound. This is where all audio-related options are located. Now, look for an option called Voice Commands or Hey Waze. Turn this option on. When you enable it, Waze may ask for microphone permission. Make sure you tap Allow, otherwise the voice command feature will not work. Some phones may also ask you to allow background microphone access. Allow that as well. Once enabled, Waze will listen for the wake phrase, usually Hey Waze. You can now give commands like Hey Waze, take me home, Hey Waze, navigate to nearest petrol pump, or Hey Waze, report accident. Speak clearly and naturally. If voice commands are not working, check a few things. Make sure your phone language and Waze language are the same. Also, check that your microphone is not blocked by a case or dust. Restarting the app once can also fix minor issues. Voice commands make driving safer because your hands stay on the steering wheel and your eyes stay on the road. Once you get used to it, you won't want to drive without it. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more simple Waze tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.